Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Java. And after that, I'm also going to show you how to run a simple Hello World Java program on our Windows operating system. So do watch the video till the end. If you face any issues in middle, you can always put a comment in our comment sections. I'll try my best to help you. And recently I have also started this Geeky Syntax channel, so if you're interested you can always subscribe this channel. So here in this channel I'm going to post regularly programming and coding related videos. Once I get a substantial amount of subscriber, I'll regularly going to post. And also I have started Geeky Script vlogging channel, so if you're interested you can also subscribe my Geeky Script vlogging channel. So now for Java you need to just simply search over here JDK download and hit enter. And this will show you this Java downloads. So you need to open that link and it's going to redirect to the official site of Oracle. So this link I'm going to put right in our description, so you can directly use that link to land over this site. And here you can see, if you scroll down, you can see that we have Java JDK 21, 17 all available to download, right? And you can see here a list of operating systems as well. So here it is showing for Linux, you need to switch to this tab. For macOS and you need to switch to this tab for Windows. So here under Windows you can see that we have these three products, right? So from here I'm going to recommend you to download this x64 MSI installer. MSI basically means Microsoft installer. Alright, so you have to click on this download link, and what it's going to do is it's going to automatically start our download, right? So I have already downloaded it, so I cancel this. I'll minimize my browser, I'll go to my download directory, and here you can see we have already JDK downloaded over here. So to install it, you just simply double click on it. So this is our Java installation wizard. Let's first minimize our download directory, and here you can see the installation wizard. So just simply click on next over here. So this is where our Java is going to be installed. So on our C program files Java, then it's going to create a JDK 21 folder, and within that it's going to install all these files. So it's just totally fine. Just simply click on next. And you can see it will again ask you for administrative privileges. Just simply click on yes, and there you go. You can see our installation is rightly began, right? So this will take some time, about a couple of minutes. So once we are done with this, I'm going to again come back to this video. So welcome back, and now you can clearly see that our Java AC development kit is rightly installed. So you can just simply close this now. So now that you know that our Java is installed, it's time to set our environment path variable. That's a very important step. So for that, what you need to do is you need to first simply go to your C drive and you need to go to program files, and within program files you can see that our Java folder is now created. So you need to just open that folder, you'll get JDK 21 folder. So version 21 that we have installed, that folder is also created, and here you'll be able to see a lot of files, right? So from here you need to open this bin folder. So when you open bin folder, you'll again going to see like this many files. So what you need to do is you need to just simply click on this address bar, and you need to right click to copy the path over here, right? So you need to copy this path. So after copying, you can minimize this. Now you need to go to this search icon, and here you need to just simply type environment. When you type environment, you will get this edit the system environment variable. You need to click this edit the system environment variable. Alright, so when you click on that, it's going to open the system properties window. So within here you need to click on this environment variable, and you will get this window, and here you need to click on this path, and then you need to click on edit. So when you click on that, it's going to again show you this edit environment variable window. So here you need to click on new and right click and paste that path over here. So that same path that you are copying right from the C program files Java JDK 21 bin folder path is what we need to paste it over here. Once you are done with that, you can just simply click on OK, and then here you need to just simply click on new. So here after setting that path, it's time to set our Java home. So that's why here you need to give the variable name as Java underscore home. Alright, and here under variable value you need to right click and paste again that same path. But this time you need to remember to delete this bin folder. You need to only keep the C program files Java JDK 21. That's all. Just simply click on OK now. So click on again OK and click on again OK. So now you just know that Java is installed, but how to verify that, right? So for that, you need to again go to search and just simply type over here cmd. It will open command prompt, and here you need to just simply type Java space dash dash version and hit enter. Once you do that, you'll be able to see that Java 21.01, which is latest version, is rightly showing up over here. So if you get this similar type of prompt, all that basically means is your Java is up and running. So now it's time to create a hello world Java program. So over to this new, create a new folder. I'm going to name this folder as a Java practice, right? And I'm going to go into that folder, Java practice folder, and here I'm going to right click and click on this new text document, and here I'm going to name this file as hello world dot, I'm going to remove this dot text with dot java. So do you want to change the file name extension? Yes, and you can see file name extension is changed. But I want to mention in one point over here, maybe you might not see this .txt or the .java extension over here. So how to enable that? So for that, you need to click on this view and you need to click on this show, and here you can see that file name extension is enabled. So this is what you need to enable. Alright, so this file name extension, once you enable that, you will be able to see this .java or .txt or all these type of extensions. Now you need to open that file, and here I'm going to open it using a notepad, and I'm going to write a simple hello world code over here. So class hello world, and I'm going to open the parenthesis, and I'm going to click tab, and I'm going to write public static void min, and within bracket I'm going to write string args, right? And again I'm going to take press tab key on my keyboard, and I'm going to write system dot out dot println, and again within bracket I'm going to write hello world over here, hello world, and then I'm going to just simply go to file and save this file. I'll go back to my folder, and here I'm going to type cmd, hit enter. Immediately you will see that our command prompt are opening right in our this same directory. So now if you just simply type java c, then the file name, which is hello world.java, so hello world.java, and simply hit enter, you will be able to see that our program are getting compiled successfully along with a .class file generating over here, right? This hello world.class file. So now to run, you need to type this Java, but this time you need to type only the class name, which is hello world. So hello world, right? And hit enter. And when you do that, you're going to see the output, whatever you have written on that program. So that program's output you're going to see right in our console, right? So in this way you can easily install latest version of Java, and you can start practicing all the assignments that you have get from your school or college maybe. And I will be highly recommending you to install IntelliJ IDEA as well. So that will give you a proper graphic user interface where you can start writing any sort of Java projects, right? So that's basically all about this video. Please do like, share and subscribe both my Geeky script and Geeky syntax channel, so that I can get motivated and make more programming and coding type videos. So do subscribe this channel, and also if you're interested, you can subscribe my Geeky script vlogging channel. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.